Hey, welcome back. Today, let's see at what is a template in Workstair. In field service, you often duplicate content when creating new quotes. You can save these repetitive sections as templates in Workstair. Let's consider a service provider company's quote, which typically includes an introduction, the scope of work, and terms and conditions. We collectively refer to them as a template. This is what a template looks like in Workstair software. And the output will look like this. The introduction you have added will appear at the top of your output document, followed by the scope of work content. And the terms and conditions will be placed at the end of the document. Now, let's explore how to create a template. To create a module template, click on the Settings button in the sidebar menu and select Module Templates. You can create a module template for quotes, contracts, and invoices. In this video, let's consider creating a quotes template. Choose Quotes from the drop-down menu. Click the New button. Enter a name for this template. You can choose a descriptive name for your quotes template. After that, add introduction, scope of work, and terms and condition contents for the quotes module. Then save this template. If you want to set a template as default, then click on the three dots on right, then select Set as Default option. Now your template will be set as default. If you want to set another template as default, select the template and set it as default. Then if you want to delete a module template, select a template, then click on Delete button. Now, let's learn how to use a template. When you create a quote, the default template will already be loaded. To change a template, click the Select Template and choose another template from the list. You can click on this checkbox to view the entire template and replace it all at once. You can also change any specific portion of the template. Now we replace the scope of work portion. Now you can save and download the quote.
Thank you for watching. If you need any additional clarifications, please don't hesitate to reach out to our dedicated support team.